So the project of the day is to put the snowblower back on the tractor again. It's now winter, and the last video I made had so much noise and kind of poor quality, so I'm going to try and get refilm this with a little better quality than last time. So let me get set up and we'll get it going.
Let's see if we can get these bolts off. There's one.
And just like that, that's off. Put this back here.
I should pull the pins out first.
Closer.
Let's see. I wonder if you can
See better if I move this here. Alright. So now we gotta lift this up. There's a steel bar here that rests on these brackets. But I always seem to have some kind of issue with getting this on. Of course you forget after the season goes by. But here it is. It's like seems to hit everywhere, and I'm almost tempted to do some kind of modification. Just that it's super tight. I think that's her. Alright, so now we'll climb underneath and hook it up from there. Okay. I wonder if I put the pin this way, it might be easier to get the locking pin back out again. Yeah. There we go. Now I'm going to just go over to the other side. Tight tolerance. Oh, so fun. I need a hammer. Rubber hammer. Hammering at it from this side's probably not ideal either, but no, can't even get at it. I should take these off or not. Whether it really matters the that holds the bucket on. We'll leave them on. So I'm gonna hook up the lines. It's got a little mark here, or a red washer and a blue washer on the bottom, corresponds to the hydraulic lines. So there we go. And there's pins that have to go in the front to lock this on as well. So I guess we'll put those in. I'm sure what those are. And on the other side, same thing. All right. Now we got to climb under this thing, hook the drive shaft up at the back, and then bolt that in. And this always fights us. So. Come on, baby. Oh, there we go. Well, whatever happened, camera went into photograph mode, so you didn't get to see the bolts. So I'm gonna try and. There's two bolts that had to be bolted in for the drive shaft, and that's those two there in front of you. 9/16. Pretty simple. Not much to see anyway. Alright, now we're going to put the front on, and I believe I got to put the front drive shaft on first, so we're going to do that. It just slides in here, pull the little clip back. Like that, she's on. Now it's time to put on the blower. A bit more. Down. Okay, now the chute goes through here. Scratch all the bits. And that goes in like so. Pin in there. And that's it. Just pull. Turn it to the right to lock it, and that's it. That's for the wiper. That was factory, or not factory, dealer installed. Brutal. Okay. Finally, the chute wire just hooks up with a trailer. Well, it is not like a trailer connector, and there's actually a little port right here and it plugs in right there. This other one is for the lawnmower. So I'm going to plug that in. There's no way I can hold you, but you pretty much know what you got to do. So now I think we'll do a system test just to be sure that everything works okay. I'd say that's a success. I'll show you a couple of other things I had done. I had to put nylon bushings under here for this thing to rotate, and that thing is solid now and works beautiful. The ones that come standard, completely substandard, broke off in maybe 2 seasons. It only had one tiny little bolt holding it on, so now I've got 2 bolts plus the screw. Sorry, 1 screw holding it on. And then the other thing I did is I put nylon on the bottoms, and they have held up absolutely wonderfully. Somebody had asked if how they held up or how long they lasted, but nylon doesn't wear away like regular plastic. It's tough as heck. So that's worked out really well, so I don't get gouges all up and down the driveway anymore. So anyway, that's it. Now time to snowplow.